Yeah, we are in the place to be.
What's going on, guys? So for today, it's not raining like I said in the last video, so we're gonna actually be working on the Acura. So we're gonna attempt to get the window out. So we might try some shit. I mean, we always see in movies where you'd be kicking out the window. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna prep it and we're gonna attempt to just kick it right out. So we're gonna prep the window first and then we're just gonna try it.
What's going on, gang? I just jacked the camera after Keith set it up. I just wanted to give you all a little rundown. So like he said, we're gonna be kicking this window out today. We're doing it for all y'all movie fans out there. We're gonna go ahead and remove the wiper blade arms. We're gonna remove the cowl, then the side trim, and then we're gonna tape up the outside of the window and then the inside of the window, and then Keith is probably gonna get the kicking. So sit tight, stay tuned.
Alright guys, just to show you the extent of how abandoned this Acura was. And by the way, this was mine. I had it for a while, but once the tree fell on it, I just kind of left it alone. But look at all that. And then you get over here, and there's like paper towel rolls or something. Like an animal must have got in there and made it its home for a little bit. So this thing definitely needs some love, but we're gonna bring it back. Alrighty guys, so the window's all taped up. We're about to kick this shit. Well, Noel's gonna kick it. He's setting up, he's just setting this in there so that it looks all good. And he's gonna kick it, and we're gonna hope that this works out. We're getting to it.
Oh no! Fuck, I think I pulled my throat!
Alrighty guys, so as you can see, it works. I mean, we do have a big hole here. It's cool for the fun. But now we have to get it out, so we're just gonna take, we have this this sealant like tape thing here, so we're gonna peel it up. We already gave it a little start, and then we're just gonna peel around the whole entire thing so that the whole window can come out instead of just kicking it the rest of the way and making glass fly everywhere. I already got myself in the leg, and then Noel got himself in the leg too. So it didn't work out like it did in movies. Alrighty guys, so we're making progress on getting this thing out. Didn't really think that through. I mean, we probably could have gave it some other kicks, but risks more and more shards everywhere, and we already got enough of that everywhere. We're gonna have to literally vacuum up the whole driveway on this side and inside the car to get all that out. So I don't recommend this. But we're moving along, and it'll come out, and it was still a good time. And I don't know how they do it in the movies, because that did not work out the way I thought. His foot went right through it. I mean, we did tape it though, so who knows if that played a factor. Alrighty guys, so it started to rain out. So we pulled the Acura into the garage a little bit. We meant to record it, and then we totally sidetracked and didn't, because we didn't get a chance to put that on. So this is where it's going to sit for until we decide to do it again when it's not raining, because it's raining. So that's going to wrap up the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We could have did this a lot easier, but we decided to check it out, you know, see how it would work. Didn't work too well. It caused us more work. So, with that being said, guys, on the next video, we will probably be working on the GTR, because that's got to get to paint soon. So, we have to clear this all out. So, until next time, guys, stay hustling.